This 2023 CrossRoads Volante 3.4BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Tyler, Texas, 75706 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Tyler. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, Slideout, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.